In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Shopify dropshipping without wasting time guessing which products will sell. One of the biggest struggles beginners face is spending hours scrolling through AliExpress, TikTok, or random product lists, hoping to stumble on a winner. Sometimes you get lucky, but most of the time, it's just guesswork, and that can cost you both time and money. The truth is, you don't need to gamble with your product choices anymore because there's a much smarter way to do it. This is where Sell the Trends AI Product Finder comes in. Instead of manually searching through thousands of products, the AI tool analyzes huge amounts of data for you. It looks at what's trending across platforms, checks which items are already taking off, and then shows you products that have real potential to sell. This means you're not starting from scratch or relying on guesswork. You're starting with data-backed winners. The process is simple. You open Sell the Trend, run the AI Finder, and in seconds, you'll see a list of products with strong engagement, real sales trends, and proof that they're in demand. Once you find one you like, importing it to your Shopify store takes just one click. The product images, descriptions, and variations are all added automatically, so you don't waste time copying and pasting. And the automation doesn't stop there. When customers order from your store, Sell the Trend even helps with fulfillment. Orders are placed directly with your supplier, tracking numbers sync back automatically, and you don't have to manually touch every single step. All of this gives you more time to focus on marketing and growing your store, instead of drowning in repetitive tasks. This is why Sell the Trend is such a powerful tool for beginners. It takes the hardest part of dropshipping, finding products that actually sell, and makes it simple with AI. No more endless scrolling, no more guessing, just clear data and easy automation. If you want to start Shopify dropshipping the smart way without gambling on random products, try Sell the Trend for yourself. Using the link, you can test it out completely free for 14 days and see how much easier it makes the entire process.